Allahu Akbar, our Creator. There's no one greater than Allah. So why do we stand tall, too proud to recognize what's right before our eyes? Signs from our Lord. Hey my brother, hey my sister, see yourself as self-sustained, but don't you see what will come later? We all return to the Creator. Then we'll say, that's my Lord. Then we'll say, that's my Lord. Then we'll say, that's my Lord. Oh Allah, forgive us all. Allah made everything. Allah made everything. Allah made everything. You and I. Allah made everything. Allah made everything. Allah made everything. The earth and the blue sky. But do we remember Him? Thank Him for everything. Surrender to only Him with all our lives. Allah
made everything. Allah made everything. Yes.